Meet the Smith family. They suffer from a condition known as EBS, empty brain syndrome. Signs of EBS include lack of physical activity, excessive technology exposure, and lack of human interaction.
After years of research, we have finally found a cure for EBS. And that cure is the Brainy Ball game. Brainy Ball is a fun, kinesthetic game that makes you move your body and your mind. The object of the game is to collect brain cards to fill your brain map. Start by selecting a brain card, give an answer, and pass the Brainy Ball to the next player. The player with the last correct answer wins the brain piece and places it on their brain map. You must then select a challenge card. Choose your own category with a Your Choice card.
Band of the 80s.
But watch out for the occasional brain fart. Another family has been cured of EBS.